here. What's the elephant say? Good boy. Okay, Vaughn. What does the cow say? What does the horse say? Good boy. What does the dog say? What does the puppy say? What does the puppy say? Good boy. What does the duck say? What does the sheep say? What does the horse say? What does the elephant say? Good boy. What does the monkey say? Good boy. What else? What does the cow say? Moo. What does the sheep say? What does the kitty say? Yeah. What does the pig say? Oink, oink. Vaughn, can you blow kisses? Good boy. Can you blow kisses at Mummy? Oh, you've got Mummy's shoe. Where's your... Vaughn, where's your bum? Where's your bum? Are you reading a book? Vaughn. Vaughn, where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Vaughn? Hey. Hey. Vaughn. Vaughn, where's your mouth? Oh, you want to read the story? Can you say up? Can you say up?